For over 80 years, the Grand Ole Opry has been the heart of country music. Backstage, a music legend wants to meet the family.
Come on in the house here. How you doing, buddy?
Oh, doing great.
Come on in and introduce everybody.
Oh my God.
I understand you got a good-looking truck.
I don't know a politician we can't get along without. I don't know a sports star that we can't get along without. But we cannot get along without people like Anthony. You can always get along without fiddle players, but you can't get along without hard-working people. And I've got something else I'd like to give you to go along with your pickup truck. We wanted to get you some gasoline, so we got you 100 gallons of gasoline. So,
A night that Anthony will remember forever.
and you got a nice family here, and I wish you all the best.
I got a lovely family.
You sure have.
My favorite song of yours is Devil Went to Georgia.
Well, you put it that for you.
Thank you. Oh my God, we were wanting it.
Don't get impatient, because it'll be the last thing we do.
Oh, it doesn't matter, but save the best for last.
All right? That's a smart young man right there.